guys, programming a Racepak dash. What this is doing is connecting to the OBD connector of the vehicle. And as you guys know, this is the Jeep we talked to you guys about, showed you online. You'll see it's read it successfully. Basically what this is doing is it's reading all the OBD PID data from the truck's computer, and what it's doing is it's reading it, and then it'll allow us to select what we want to display on the dash. So this is just a display. It's got a serial adapter with a I had to make a cable. We didn't have a cable, so I had to make one. Big deal. Made one quick. There's basically a stereo cable. It looks like a stereo jack. And since this is a custom setup, sorry guys, I got a cold. We've got the OBD connector here. This is the OBD connector to the OBD Racepak module. I'll show you that fast. A lot of guys are having issues. Well, I had issues, but a lot of guys have issues. It's like the second or third one I do. And basically this module here will take the data from the ECU. This is, I believe it's an 05 Dodge Ram ECU that Arrington used to do the tuning on this truck. We put on the dyno, made 830 foot-pounds. 820 foot-pounds, I think, and 830 horsepower on the dyno. This is all preliminary stuff here. This is the other shop that did this. I'm just doing the programming and getting the dash to work. There'll be 4 different screens with 4 different data sets. I'm going to set it up to to see the gas level, RPM, mile per hour. The second module we have here is a GPS VNet. It's the Racepak GPS unit. That's going to give speed, miles per hour and kilometers per hour. Basically, it's like a GPS, and it's going to give the mile per hour right here on the dash. Okay, off of this little antenna here, and it'll get off of there. We'll have RPM up here. I'm going to try and set up gear. It should see it based on the way the vehicle moves. And I'm going to set up 4 different screens for it. So here we just did the preliminary stuff here. We got our serial port to work. You need an XP machine or a Windows 2000 machine. It won't work on a laptop that's like Windows 10 or whatever. So I don't know why, but that's how they have it. Long story short, it's read it, it sees what it is, and then we're gonna pick and choose what we want, to have on the dash, and then the four different menus, well, screens. All right. So there you go. All right. So after you do that, you click the OK button. What you want to do here is you want to go over. So we have a GPS module set up. So you can right-click here. It'll open it up and give you all the options that you want for the GPS. And then here you want the display. You right-click again, and it'll get you. These are the 4 different screens you get to choose, and then you can choose all the different things off the list. I'll show you guys that in a second. All right. So here we've got the IQ display up. What we did just before that, we right-clicked on obd2 setup. No, well, the PIDs are not gone. I have to reread it. But basically what they were all on this side. We selected them and put them all on this side. This is what this Dodge is giving us. Fuel system stat, engine coolant temp, calculated engine load, short-term trims, long-term trims, manifold pressure, RPM, vehicle speed, timing advance, intake air temp, throttle position, O2 sensor, probably the voltages here, and then some auxiliary inputs. So once you do that, you just click on the OK send. That's done. How do I have a low battery? So long story short, all that is here. Once all that's here, you right click on IQ display. It'll open up, and then you can select with these tabs here what you want to add to the dashes, and then once it's done, you click send config. It'll send the config and you're good. One thing I had to change to we're in Canada, so I have to change to kilometers per hour. So if you guys are looking to do that, you're gonna go here to GPS speed. I'm gonna go like this so you guys can see better. GPS speed, and you're gonna change the unit. If you go right here, it'll let you change the unit from miles per hour to kph. So I already did that. Once you do that, what you want to do is go here and click on save. It'll save us. The next time you open it, it'll still have it. I'm gonna plug this laptop in quick, and I'm gonna make the dash work, and we should be good to go, and this truck should be ready to rock and roll.